Hello once again, everybody. It's 10:21 and 19 seconds on Tuesday, October 23rd. This is the drawing for the Spider-Man 800 Shattered 9.8 variant. Just gonna put that in there. Over here are the 14 filled spots. Gonna roll the 3 dice. Number is 14. Name at the top of the list. At the end of the 14th roll, we'll get the book. It will ship today. There are a few international people participating. Should you win, I will contact you to settle up on the international shipping cost. Best of luck, everybody. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and here comes the final one. 14. Geez, Dave Byers. Back to back. Congratulations. Time is 10:22 and 21.